Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechnoStart. Here I am going to tell you about the three apps in which you can earn the money during the lockdown by sitting at a home, by just completing a survey, watching a video or completing a task which is smaller. So before that you should start my video or see my video, you should log on to my Telegram channel, and those who are in the 12th standard, they should subscribe my Instagram channel, and others who they can follow my Instagram other ID you can see at my description link. So you should subscribe my video, and I don't want to like or unlike my video because it lose or increase the motivational according to videos. So as I want you to see this screen, in this it is a Play Store app, you can see this, and I've been just earned rupees. I will earn rupees $2 by just completing a survey. Before 2 minutes I have completed one survey. The money will be credited within 24 hours, as that survey is an example, so money I will receive in a small amount. So the app is related to Google. You can see this, the app is of Google, so means it is a trusted app. Second, the app name is QC, and I will tell you about the refer code, and I will tell you about the Agio vouchers, Beardo vouchers and Oppo vouchers code I will provide you in the videos between, so you should watch my video till the last. So the app name is Google Opinion Rewards. You can see this, Google Opinion Rewards you can get in the Google Play Store app, and it is of Google, so it is 100% trusted. It is trusted app, and it is of I think it is a 3 to 4 star. It is of 3 to 4 star app, but the survey is being uploaded very at late. So the next app I am going to tell you about this is, as you can see my window here, it has been written flat 500 rupees on Oppo spin and win contest I have been won, and it is valid till 5 June 2021. Terms and condition apply. And here another voucher I have been won of flat rupees 100 on Beardo spin and win contest, which is being also that it is also of 5 June only. So I want to tell you about this app in which you can earn by just spin and win, and here is zero investment app. And after the description you can get this code from me buy at some prices, or I will provide free if you join my Telegram channel. So another I want to show you one app also. Here also you can see there's flat 100 rupees on Agio spin and win contest I have been won, and it is valid till 3 June 2021. Those who need it, they can contact me. And in this there's a one terms and condition which I want to show you this, that is, in this 500 shopping or more than 550 shopping if you do, then the 100 rupees will be off, means 450 total bill was. Okay, so this I don't want to get to miss, and if you want this voucher I will show you. Oppo and win contest. Okay, you can see this both. The terms and conditions are 100 rupees cashback on shopping of 500 and above. I don't want to make videos so lengthy, so I would come to my third app. The app of this name is, you can see this, paisavapas.com. By zooming it you can see this, and this, it is a spin and win contest. Today I didn't receive anything, better luck next time. Here you can see this, what did you won in first spin, second spin and third spin. In my next video I will show you what is the heck of this spin. So the third app is, I will take you to the Play Store. The app till now I didn't have been installed is Timebucks. You can see this Timebucks 3.3. I didn't download because get paid service, so I didn't believe so much. And this Taskmate is also a app of the Google also, but it is, I didn't tell you because this app is in development. So another which I've been showed is Google Opinion Rewards. I've tell you that this is app which is of 4.3 rating. You can see that, and the 50 million downloads mean this is a trusted app. So you can go for that, and below description I will provide my link. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.